Look at that. My beautiful flower. Sunflower Novada. They already bloom. And my roses. And my chili. And here, oh, my hibiscus also blooming. And my big pepperoni. Yeah. My kangkong, papaya. Watermelon grande. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, our very cute watermelon. Where's the others? Oh, it's so cute. And one more here.